Here we are for our next math video. I'm gonna show here. So it's called Unit 6 Extra Lesson Quick Quiz. This is kind of a review lesson today and a review quiz just to get us ready for that test tomorrow or for next week. So we're gonna open it up here and I'm gonna go to the preview view just so I can show you what this looks like. Oh, there we go. Let's see here. Okay, yeah, we're good. All right, so question number 1 says, I put 6 to 8 books on a shelf. I put an equal amount of books on 8 shelves, and I put 4 books on the last shelf. Which equation can be used to solve the problem? So one of the things, before I'm going to pick my equation, I'm just going to think about, okay, what are all the parts of this? Well, I know that there's 68 books total. So I'm actually going to go to this picture that I already made. So there's 68 books total. Now, I'm going to be splitting those onto 8 shelves. Okay, so I'm going to add this number right down here. Because I'm gonna be splitting some of these books onto 8 shelves, and 4 of these books are gonna go here. So the one part that I don't know, if I think about this like a math mountain, well, 4 of the books are gonna go on 1 shelf, the rest are gonna go on 8, but I don't know how many are actually gonna go on 8 shelves. So when I go back to my problem, that's what I have to kind of think about. Okay, well, I know there's 68 total, but not all of them are going on the shelves because 4 of them are going on 1 shelf by itself. So I'm going to look at my equations and think, okay, well, which part here would make the most sense? I do know that 68 is my total. Okay, so if I know that 68 is my total, 4 are going to go by itself, and 8, and then the rest are going to be going on 8 shelves. Well, you know, when I look at like D's not the right answer because I'm not splitting 68 into 8 shelves. So I can't do 68 divided by 8. So that one's definitely not going to be right. But then I just have to kind of think, okay, well, I know that 4 of them will be by themselves. The rest will be going, will be divided up on the 8 shelves. So just take your time looking through that one. Number 2, I collected 100 really cool rocks on a walk. 60 of them were spotted. The rest were plain. I then gave away 30 plain rocks. How many plain rocks do I have now? Which equation can help you solve this problem? Okay, well, I do know that 100, I think, is my total. So that's going to help me on this part. And so, again, a math mountain is going to really help me on this one. If I know that 100 is my... I'm going to change my color here. If I know that 100 is my total, and I have some different parts here, I think. Because I know that I had found 60. I'd given away 30. And I think that's going to help me figure out what to do for that one. Number 3, I have 15 comic books. I read 6 last night. How many do I have left to read? Okay. Again, I could use like a comparison bar for that one. I'm going to put my total on the top. And then I'm going to have a part that I know, but there is one part that I don't know, and that can help me with that one. Number 4, I have 80 books in my book collection. 50 of them are fiction. The rest are nonfiction. How many are nonfiction? Okay, well, again, I can use a comparison bar for that. I know my total. I think I know a part, but I don't know what my other part is. Number 5, I have 29 pieces of gum. I chewed 5 of them, and I split the rest of them equally into 4 bags. How many pieces of gum did I put in each bag? Okay, well, that last step question says, how many pieces of gum did I put in each bag? I have to do another step first. Because it says I have 29 pieces and I chewed 5. Okay, I think I know what I have to do first before I can do that second step. Then number 6, I bought a book that cost $10. I also bought a game that cost $5 more. How much money did I spend on the book and the game? Okay, so my book was 10. I bought a game that cost $5 more. So my game does not cost $5. It costs $5 more than the book. Okay, so then that will tell me how much my book costs. So that tells me how much my game is. So I have to figure out how much my game is. Then I can use that to figure out how much I have for my book and my game. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, have fun solving.